Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today my friend and I came out to do some rock crawling. Got the power wagon here towing the deadbolt. So let's get the deadbolt out and do some rocking with it. Bit of a bouncy ride. Could use some oil-filled shocks. This is getting all the rocks just fine though.
Should I try to go up this rock?
Sure. Whoopsie! Trying to go up the rock pot too. And it gets it. And it holds nicely on the hill there. Nice drag brake on it. Well, till next time, guys. Keep all sane.
See you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, and share so that Spike right here can get some bananas. Bye. Bye.